Welcome to my channel. I have a Polo GT 2019. Today I'll be showing you how to fit a flip reverse view camera in a Polo, no matter what model or year is it. As you can see, I've already done the trial so that everything is working properly. This is the reverse view camera. When you select the gear lever to reverse, it's a flip camera. Now I'll show you how it looks from the behind, and after that I'll be showing you how the installation is done. From here the reverse camera looks like this. As you can see, there is a camera below. I am not sure whether you can see or not. Now I'll be showing you how to fix it up in your boot. Just let me place the camera properly so that it can, you can get the view. You need to remove this trim. I'll show you how to do it. You need to remove this trim with the help of this Torx bit. First you need to remove this screw and this screw. Once you have removed the screw, there is a clip over here, there is a clip over here, over here, over here, here, and the same for this side. After that, you just need to After that, you just need to pry it open. Once you have opened it up, it's going to look like this. As you can see, this is my camera. This is the camera module and this is the boot lid. You will get the whole assembly as one piece. And I have routed the wire from here, which comes out from here, and I've taken it in here. And after that, have taken a connection for the reverse signal from the reverse light. It's a blue and black wire for your car. The color may change. And I've routed the wire from here towards the center. For the ground, I have taken the connection from here, a common ground point. The only issue with this camera is that it's not the holes of the camera and the holes of mounting holes do not match. So you need to buy a bracket. I have provided the description and the link in the description box. You can purchase it from there. This is the bracket which I purchased from Car Systems. The link is in the description. As you can see, the difference between the original flip logo and this one is that there's a hole, there's a space for the camera to pop out, and the mounting holes are different. This is how the bracket looks. After the installation is done, you need to drill a 8 mm hole here so that you can bypass the drain tube. If you don't do this, the water is going to seep inside. As you can see, there's a big hole over here for the camera, and it's not waterproof. And you need to increase this hole where the clip previously where the clip was. I need to get the tube out from here. I need to connect it here. Make sure before you fix the trim, check for leakages. After installation the camera, the plug with your original wiring harness, you need to connect it to the camera extension, and the camera plug needs to be connected to the logo so that your remote locking and boot opening will function properly. I have routed the wiring from here, this panel, up till this, and I have taken it up here. From here you can take it there behind through the dashboard. It's an easy job. There are not a major hurdle over there. To open this panel, you just need to pry this, and this comes out like this. The same way over here. Once this is out, you just need to take this 4 screws out. Once you have taken the screws out, you just need to take this out. As you can see, I have taken the wiring here. For the power connection, I have taken a point from the power connection for the deck. I'll be doing a mod in my next video, in my near future. In that mod, I'll take this power connection to the fuse box and do it like an OEM way. And you need to connect this blue connector and this quad lock connector. And this yellow connector has to be connected to the blue connector. Once this is done, all you need to do is VCDS coding, which I'll be showing it to you. My deck is an RCT 330G. You will be needing various wiring types for various systems. In case of any inquiry, please comment down below. You need to connect this VCDS cable into a OBD port, which is located over here. And the USB cable into your laptop. You need to start your laptop and your car. Just keep it into the battery mode. My VCDS is a clone version. Once you have opened VCDS, press on auto scan and then start. Now it will scan all the modules in your car. Once it's done with that, you can proceed with the coding for your reverse view camera. In the same way, you can also install a normal number plate reverse view camera. I have bought the camera from Aliexpress. It's not an OEM one. If you want an OEM one, I can provide you with one, or I can share you the link. My camera has dynamic lines, but they are not calibrated with the steering. The camera itself has its own sensor, according to which it senses how much the car is turning and on. But since it has its own sensor, it's not that accurate. Now you can see it's scanning all the modules. As you can see, it's done scanning all the modules. Now you just need to press close. If you want to save it, you can. Now press select. Press 56 radio. Go to coding. Press long coding helper. Go to byte 3. Select bit 6, backup camera installed. You'll get this new coding. As you can see, I've already done this coding, so I don't need to do it again. Then press do it. And then you need to just go back and exit. After that, your reverse camera will be functional. As soon as you put in reverse, it will show you a video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Next video, I'll be showing you how to activate rain closing windows in any Polo or a Polo sedan or any VAC car, whichever car is equipped with rain and light sensor. Here are the videos. Here's a clip of me showing you how the dynamic lines work. As you can see, it's not that accurate. It is showing straight, in fact, of my steering wheel being turned towards the left. If you want this camera to function this OEM way, you need to buy a 6C Highline camera.